Ever asked a chatbot something and got a weird or useless answer? That's probably on you. The first rule of using AI chatbots at work: be specific. Vague prompts like "write an email" won't cut it. Instead, say, "write a follow-up email to a client who missed our meeting." Keep it polite and professional. The more context you give, the better the output. Think of it like briefing a smart intern. AI chatbots aren't mind readers. They're pattern matchers. If you want them to sound like you, give them examples. Paste in a paragraph of your writing and say, "match this tone." Want a formal report? Say so. Need humor? Ask for it. The more you train the bot with your preferences, the more it adapts. It's not magic. It's just smart input equals smart output. Don't treat chatbots like Google. They're not search engines. They're synthesis engines. Instead of asking, "what is project management?" ask, "summarize the key principles of project management for a beginner." You'll get a more useful, structured answer. Chatbots shine when you ask them to explain, summarize, or reframe. Not just regurgitate facts. Use them to think, not just to search. Want better results? Break big tasks into smaller ones. Instead of asking a chatbot to write a business plan, start with "list the key sections of a business plan." Then tackle each section one by one. This modular approach gives you more control and better quality. Think of the chatbot as a collaborator, not a miracle worker. Guide it step by step and it'll follow your lead. AI chatbots are great at brainstorming, but only if you push them. Don't settle for the first list of ideas. Ask for alternatives, variations, or even the opposite. For example, "give me 5 more ideas, but make them riskier." Or, "what would a competitor suggest?" This iterative prompting helps you explore beyond the obvious. Use the bot like a creative partner, not a vending machine. Always verify. Chatbots can sound confident while being completely wrong. If you're using AI for research or data, double-check the facts. Ask it to cite sources, then cross-reference them. Use it to draft, not to decide. It's a tool, not a truth engine. Especially in professional settings, your credibility depends on accuracy. Don't let a smooth-talking bot make you look sloppy. Finally, remember, AI chatbots are only as good as your curiosity. The more you experiment, the better you'll get. Try different phrasings, challenge the bot, and learn from its responses. It's not about mastering the tool, it's about mastering how you think with it. In the future of work, those who ask better questions will lead, so start asking smarter today.